Like that. Y también cuando termináis, when you finish that,
Ya, empaparlo ahí en medio.
así.
Okay,
Entonces, ese mira, ese se hace como una, a ver,
una cuchara.
Yo también.
está calentita,
Sí.
pero grande. Y hace un bol aquí.
Coge
así.
Vale.
So I'm teaching them how to eat.
Como plastilina. Haz así. Mira.
Claro.
So Aurora and Miguel, they're trying ugali for the first time. Mama. Coge más como Aurora. Hizi ni kunde. Managu. They are called managu.
Managu.
Sí.
Okay. Like this?
Like that. Y también cuando termináis, when you finish that, you have this one. This one is called morenda. Morenda. And we have this white, like chocolate, ugali. No, brown.
Ugali es ugali.
It's ugali.
Okay.
This is very typical. Yeah, Mama is saying ugali or daga in Swahili.
Ugali.
Yeah.
This
In Korea, oite. It's very typical in our village.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that with that.
That with that, or that with this, or that.
No.
Como quiera.
There is some traditions to respect.
Sabuni chakula mkule. ¿Qué tal?
Buenísimo.
¿La verdad?
Son como acelgas, ¿no?
Sí. Sabuni mkule. Hay chapatis. Chapati ha probado, ¿no?
Sí. Chapati es lo que más me gusta.
Compartimos el plato si quieres.
No,
No, hay mucho.
Sí.
Vamos a probar primero.
Sí.
Yo
Pensándote lo que, si te apetece llenarte el plato, te lo llenas. Si no, poco a poco.
Sí, como tú quieras, como queráis. So, hi guys, we are having lunch at home. This is our home. And this is my friend Miguel and his wife right there is Aurora. They came to visit our home. They are my friends from Madrid, Spain. So Miguel has tried ugali for the first time, and also Aurora, and they are saying it's really amazing. So we have, let me introduce you to our food. This is our avocado, this is rice, this is potatoes, and we have oranges here, and we have these typical vegetables. So we have white ugali and brown ugali. Brown ugali is very typical in our village. Very strong guys. So yeah, so, and we have chicken. This is chicken right here. Yeah, prepared by mom. Kuku wa kienyeji. We have chapatis right here. Very typical in Kenya. This is from wheat flour, and this is from maize flour, and this is from cassava flour. Ooh, I'm sorry about that. So yes, and what else? We have fish right here. And we also have vegetables. It's called managu. Yeah, so let us eat and enjoy the meal, so that, and we see how the day goes. Mama, Huli. Jose. Ni Jose, it's my brother. Mama, pues umetumia leo. Mami, untevi ama sente garoto meye. Untevi ama sente garoto meye. Kuna ni himbe. Anonkuya nkohe. So I just put on the light, and I realized that I put this also the security light on.
Podemos manchar.
Ese es pescado y cuidado con los bones.
Sí, gracias.
Sí.
Gracias.
El fuet le puedes guardar.
Sí, después vamos a. This is wet. I think one day we'll make Spanish. There's tomato here, Mara. So my wife, this is my wife Laura, and
Mara, tomate.
¿Qué es eso? Tomate. de aquí.
For the rice.
Pero cuando va...
Que si le vas a hacer con cebolla.
¿Ah, sí? No, tú no me dijiste. Mamá estaba diciendo que... ¿Ah, sí? ¿Qué era así?
Se ha roto todo.
Pues yo no... Pues mamá que estabas...
La pobre.
Sí, sí, pero para la próxima vez.
¿Eh?
Para la próxima. Yo pensaba que es ese.
¿Y este?
Porque mamá quería,
Sí. Ah, este con
Se
este.
duerme con aquel, sí.
como queráis. So they're trying...
Tomate natural.
O sea, que si nosotros nos dice algo, nosotros vamos de cabeza ahí, Maticos.
Está muy malo.
Eso para cortar es... A ver, corta.
¿Quieres probarlo?
Es un poco difícil.
Así un trocito, ¿no?
Está muy malo.
Como quieras.
Ay, mira, me corto así.
¿No es avocado thinking? Sí, kuliko na avocado hapa. So they're trying brown ugali right there.
Qué rico en fibra.
It's muy strong, it's very strong
Ojo, I like.
and very healthy. Dr. Miguel.
Ah, no, yo quería este pequeñito. Este para ti.
Ah, cuidado que quema. Vale, y este
Quema.
con...
This one with...
Con aquello.
Con ese mismo.
Con eso.
A ver, mira.
¿Quieres más?
Ya empaparlo ahí en medio, ¿no?
Mira, bebé agua.
Así.
Ah, ok.
Entonces, ese mira. Ese se hace como una... A ver.
¿Una cuchara?
Yo también.
Está calentita.
Sí.
Mara, ¿dónde
Pero
vas?
grande. Y hace un bol aquí.
Coge
así.
Ah, vale.
So I'm teaching them how to eat ugali.
Ah, ok. So. Guau.
Mara, have you finished eating?
Súper pegajoso.
Ah, your friends are there.
No me sale la cuchara como es ni patar. Venga, cuchara. Un poco más.
¿Y Mara?
Está aquí, pues, su amiga está afuera.
Pero ahora la primera comida, no, hazme la tradicional.
Mira, ¿lo tienes?
Yo aquí.
Te quejarás, ¿eh?
It's taking very small ugali and it's sticking at the hand. Sí, eso se pegan como pegamento. Sí.
Imposible. Ok. The spoon.
It's not necessary. You can eat it as the white one.
I want to do it like you. Okay. Ah, no. Okay.
Pero se pega la masilla esta.
I like it better.
¿Sí te gusta?
Es como... Está más rica que el está más...
Está más rica que ese. This is my favorite,
Yeah.
vegetable.
Está más rica.
But Laura, you don't like this one, no?
La espinaca...
Porque está como más pegajosillo, ¿no? Más...
Sí.
Sí. Pero de sabor.
No, pero dice de
verduras.
verduras.
Esta, la verdura.
Mudadi, unachafua meza.
Visualmente bien atractivo.
La comida me entra por los ojos.
And Chacha Luis.
Pero
Oh, I'm gonna put food so that I eat with them, guys. Wanakuliza kama umekula. Ungekula na sisi. I'm telling you, my mom prepares this. Uf. Está riquísima, tío. I'm telling you. I missed this.
¿Cómo se hace? ¿Qué lleva? ¿Harina?
Bueno, y
Agua.
Y agua.
¿cuándo queréis aprender a hacerlo?
Pues cuando se pueda, pues mañana.
La harina esta la venden en...
Mañana.
España.
Ese ugali, no? Mama, kesho utakuja wafunze kupika hii ugali. Koma leo.
Yo voy a hacer marrón.
Kesho utakuja wafunze kupika. Mmoja tusiage wafunze kupika. So they want to learn how to prepare ugali. The gate is closed.
¿Qué haces en el sol?
I'm telling you, even the chicken does not taste the same. This is Kenyan. Oof. My Kenyan people, my people from all over the world. First day home and mom is spoiling me like nothing. Data. Una doña. Bueno, ya hay soup. ¿Qué?
Que tu madre es muy guapa.
Muy guapa, gracias. You have a girlfriend, Jeremiah. Say the truth.
But you are strong, you are handsome.
Jeremías, you have a
You
girlfriend.
have one or two girlfriends.
Yes. Someone told me that you have a girlfriend.
Yo sé wapi. Mara namuulizia.
Preguntas a Goko. Goko, where is Uncle Joseph?
He's coming, Mara. Do you want to gali? Yo sé kwa nakula na watu.
¿Cómo se llama la sopa verde?
¿Sopa verde? Ah, esa es verduras, no es sopa. Se llama mrenda.
Brenda.
M, mrenda.
Merenda.
Mrenda.
Morena sin la O.
Morena, sí, sin la O.
Morena.
Mrenda. Con
Ah,
D,
con
E.
Mrenda. Mrenda.
Sí, mrenda.
Merienda sin la E.
Merenda.
Brenda.
Ay, kukuna yung mrenda ni Tam. Ay.
Bueno, pues ya hemos aprendido varias palabras. Hemos aprendido jambo, hello,
Sí.
asante, thank you. ¿Qué más hemos aprendido?
Merani.
¿Eh?
Ugali.
Chapati.
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 Mandasi.
Mandasi. Ahí los mandasi.
Saba.
Saba.
Adiós.
No.
Hasta luego.
¿Sí?
Sí. Saban. Como bye.
No.
Saban.
Sawa.
Sí.
Vale.
Ah, vale.
Vale.
Ok.
Sawa.
Ah, ok.
Ok.
Saba.
Musungo.
Musungo.
Mzungu pues blanco.
You.
Yeah.
Musungo.
I think that's it.
Bueno, para 2 días en Kenia.
Hombre.
Así más que yo.
This is my favorite food.
Matatu.
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 No,
Ah,
¿no era?
gaña.
Caña.
Gaña son ese grande matatus.
Matatu un asesino.
Sí.
Vale, voy a probar un poquito de pollo.
Se prueba pollo. Miguel is going to taste the chicken.
Y voy a probar el pollo con
Arroz, con chapati.
con chapati.
Sí.
Va a ser la opción.
A ver si consigo pelar un poco el pollito este. ¿Eh? Tiene mocos y niñito.
Está con la mitad, mamá.
Aquí, ¿no? Vienen aquí a comer.
Sí. Que viene aquí chacha a comer.
Sí. Y ahí fuera hay niños. Está comiendo.
Estoy a su madre ahora.
Ahí que fuera, yo maté.
Vale.
Qué bonito.
Para que aquí.
Sí, pero. No, watoto wanakula.
Está subiendo algo.
Mnakula nini?
Vale, está haciendo equilibrio.
Vamos kutaka kuingia ndani.
Está haciendo saltar y doble
Mara
mortal.
kwa
Ha
wapi?
quedado perfecta.
Kwa nini hamjaingia ndani? Ah. Kwa nini ingieni mkulie ndani? Ingia ndani huko mkule na watu wengine. Malin, Ansi, ingieni ndani huko mkule na watu wengine. Mbona mmekulia nje? Kama mnataka kukaa nje. Kama mnataka kukaa nje. Ah, nyinyi ndio mlitaka kukaa nje. Ah, sawa.
Okay.
Mnakula chapati. Na mchele. They don't want to come inside.
Pero está ahí fuera, ¿no?
Está
más
aquí.
fresquito fuera.
Sí, está muy bien comiendo ahí fuera.
Qué mala.
Está aquí, la puerta está cerrada.
No, ¿qué come?
No come, está acá.
Ah, has dicho, está comiendo.
No, está comiendo los niños.
Claro.
¿Qué tal? Pollo. Un poquito duro, sí,
Está bueno.
pero guay.
Muy rico.
Claro, para estar en el campo.
También la forma de cocinar.
Sí.
¡Chacha!
Oh, está buenísimo. Como...
Ni tamu sana.
Y está muy sana.
Sí, ni tamu sana.
Está muy
Está muy
sana.
sana.
Está muy sano.
This is my sister right here. Uf.
¿Y eso es limón o es naranja?
Naranja como limón.
Sí, lo puedes llamar. Lo puedes llamar como quieras. Porque no te vas a ver ni a una cosa ni a otra.
La mejor de aquí. Todo frutas. Naranja, como el de España, son muy caros. Porque aquí no tenemos.
Voy a lavarme un poco las manos, que estoy... Bueno, en verdad para comerme la naranja.
Claro.
¡Ah! Se me escapa la naranja.
Aguacate está muy bien, es muy barato aquí.
Sí.
Y ahí era grande. así
Hombre,
como-
eso no es un aguacate, eso es una pelota de aguacate.
Hay bastante grande.
Nunca la he visto tan grande.
I'm, I'm telling them avocados are the best here. ¿Eh?
Ah, sí
¿Eso
sabe,
es de tu tía?
sí sabe naranja.
No.
Como
Sí,
mandarina, como naranja dulce.
Sí, sabe naranja.
Pero naranja cuando no es temporada. O sea, no las naranjas de ahora que dices que rico el zumo.
Y me gustan más plátanos de aquí. ¿Habéis probado?
No,
En el avión.
Pues-
Ah, bueno.
Ay, ay, ay.
No, de pueblo.
de aquí.
Ahora
no puedo.
probáis, sí.
Vale.
¿Estos son los aguacates de tu tía? Te he preguntado.
No. Mi tía tiene aguacates que flipas.
Grandes.
Es riquísimo. Y donde hay gimnasio africano, aquí, tiene aguacates que flipas.
Puedes llevar a España aguacates, como llevo siempre.
Y sano.
Hombre, la maleta se me va a quedar
¿Eh?
súper vacía porque he traído ahí un montón de cosas del cole.
¿Te quieres llevar? Hola, Nani.
Papá,
Yes, my love.
yo vamos, pero si vamos a ciertas cosas y le buscamos.
You want to go to look for Uncle Jose?
Y tú, y yo.
On me? Okay. Wait, I drink this. No. ¿Estás lleno? Muy bien.
Snake.
Miguel, so between everything that we've eaten, which is your favorite?
The brown magali? No, the brown
Ugali.
ugali with chicken and a bit of the green
Vegetables, morenda.
Yeah, like a burrito.
Brenda, está rica, ¿no?
Muy rico, muy rico. Y bueno.
Pues vamos a probar más cosas.
Sí, sí.
A ver qué te parece.
Me ha gustado.
Mañana vais a aprender a cocinar ugali. Ah ya. Yes, amka anam dan suko cha cha. Dia shy. Cha amka Hansi. Hey. put now you at hey, pardon. I'm dance. Hey, I'm getting him dance. Hey, I'm okay. Ivo. Dansini, mnaenda mbali hapa niwaone hapa. Na wale wengine hebu kuja tuone. Kujeni karibu tuangalie.
Una canción. Dile lo que me has pedido.
Bueno, va a danza huko.
Me das una pintura, por favor. ¿Quieres ver la amarillo? El amarillo, a ver si la tengo.
Mira cómo se va.
¿Quieres ver la pintura, Mara?
Pero si no me da wifi no puedo.
Bueno.
Modadi. We finished eating, guys. We've danced, you've seen. So Miguel and Aurora, they are playing with the kids right here. Yes. And they brought the kids presents right here so that they paint. They're having a lot of fun.
Mira, los colores son como estos.
¿Una chora nini, Hans?
No, tiene que ser rosa, mira, rosita.
And
Así.
what's your name? Nauliza kila mtu jina. Hansi. And you? What's your name? Marlin. How old are you? How old are you? Kuna miaka mingapi? 6 years. What's your name? What's your name?
Chat.
How old are you? Kuna miaka mingapi? Ujui miaka yako? Ulize mama. He's very young. I think he's 5. What is your name?
Boy.
Boy. How old are you? Kuna miaka mingapi? 6. What's your name?
Mara.
How old are you?
Mara.
No, how old are you?
Mara.
3 years or 2 years?
Mara.
No, how old are you? 2 or 3 years? 3. Mara is turning 3 in September. What's your name? Jose. How old are you? Miaka mingapi? 6. Wewe 6 years hapana. Wewe uko na kama 4. Hey, this is Mudadi, my cousin. And Hamza right there. Ojere. Wow. And what is your name? Emmanuel. Where do you study?
I study at Kiburanga.
Kiburanga Comprehensive School. Nice, Kiburanga Comprehensive School.
Yes.
Not Kiburanga Primary School.
Yes.
Hey, Kiburanga Comprehensive. Hey. Class?
Grade 8.
Grade 8. You're going to Form 1?
Yes.
Oh wow. And how is school?
It's good.
Are you working hard?
Yes.
You finished exams?
Yes.
Which position?
We are not
Gi-
activity position.
Which grade?
Grade 8.
No, grade 8. And the marks, how do we call it? Excellent.
We were told that.
Okay, what did you get in general?
In maths, I got meeting expectations. English exceeding.
Exceeding.
Then Kiswahili exceeding.
Wow.
Social approaching.
Social studies approaching, so you have to work hard.
Yes.
Very good.
Science, I got exceeding.
Exceeding. So what do you want to become when you grow up?
A doctor.
You want to become a doctor. You know she's a doctor and he's a doctor.
Yeah.
He's Dr. Miguel and she's also a doctor.
A doctor for children, like you.
Yes. And what is your name? Mr. Elias. A dancer. Eh? Where do you study?
Reverend David Duvesco.
Reverend David Duvesco. You know I studied there when I was young like you. And which grade?
Grade 7.
How is school? What do you want to become when you grow up? A doctor. Wow, that's so good. Work so hard so that you become a doctor like Miguel, like Aurora. They are doctors.
No. Yeah. You have to study a lot.
Mudadi. Mudadi. Mudadi, what do you want to become? I'm asking when you grow up. Eh? I'm asking my cousin. Eh? Eh? What do you want to become when you grow up? In future? A doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can become a doctor. Yeah, it's possible. And Hamza? What do you want to be?
A scientist.
A scientist?
Yes.
Hey! What did you get in science?
In science.
Yeah.
62.
62. That is exceeding. No, that is expecting. That is expecting or what?
Meeting.
Meeting expectation. That's good. Work hard. You can get exceeding expectation. So guys, we are home and we are having fun with kids right here. And that's what we do. Like when I'm home, that's what we do. I'm so happy. Kids come in. Yay! I love it. I love it here. So yeah, that is day one. That is how it has been, and they really enjoyed the food. So see you in our next vlog. Please subscribe to support us, and a lot more is coming. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye my people. Much love. It's evening and we are going to the village. What's up guys, welcome. My name is Chef Matiko and we are here with my big family, big friends. This is Aurora. And we are going to the village. We are going to show them our village. Miguel is right there. So, and my wife is here. My wife. ¿Pero qué es?
Sí, pero ¿qué dices? My wife, como si fuera mi mujer, seguro.
My wife is here, sí. ¿No?
Sí.
Como mujer de Miguel. So guys, I really hope that you're gonna be enjoying this video today because we are visiting our village and I'm here with Mara. So I can't wait, they can't wait to know our village. You know, when you have guests, it's good when you bring them. Look, Mara.
Hala, pis para ti.
Pis para ti.
Ha hecho pis. Como Mara, que hace que no... Mara, hace mucho que no haces pis.
¿Qué? Es cuando vas. You want to make peace, Mara?
No. Sí, que te pongo aquí, Mara.
No.
¿No?
¿Hace que no hace pis?
¿O no hacer?
No, claro que va a hacer, pero... Es que no me extraña, porque con este calor...
Tampoco ha bebido mucha agua.
No, claro.
Ah, no ha bebido mucho agua, ¿no?
No. Pero todo el rato jugando.
Esta noche va a dormir.
Sí. Sasa. Marhaba. Muy bien, Miguel. Miguel now is speaking in Swahili with the villagers. And he's going in a Kenyan style with slippers, socks. Easy life. So what do you think about our village before even you see it? Before you see the center, what do you think about it?
It's like rural.
See?
Very
Yes.
calm. I mean, all the families together.
See?
All the people around
Together.
your house is
Yes.
coming, eating, getting fun.
Yes. So everybody like living together?
Yeah, like visiting, visiting you when they come, saying hi.
Yes. Yeah. So people have been coming since morning to say hi to us. Look, we are farmers. Mira, maíz.
Este es el
Sí,
para el,
sí.
el guila,
Ese es maíz, sí.
pero para hacer el
Para ugali.
ugali.
Ugali, sí. Barizeno waze. Mko salama? So Miguel is going to see the village, the center now of our village. You know, it's good. The first days, they know the home, they know where our village is, and that's good. Have you ever seen a village like this? Carretera así?
No,
No?
no, this. I mean, my grandma village
Yeah.
is small, but this is
It's
different.
not like this. Mambo! Halo Musa. Uko wapi? Tungoje tu hapo stage. Ndio tunatokelezea saa hii. So, ¿qué tal tu pueblo de tu abuela? ¿Qué pasa? Es diferente. ¿Qué onda, Pepe? ¿Uko fiti? Hiyo ni poa. Haya. Sawa. Está diciendo hola. Ni aje. Sí, es pequeño pero diferente, ¿no?
Sí, más en la montaña.
Sí.
Pero también, allí hacían matanza.
Matanza.
¿Qué es?
De
cerdo.
De cerdos. Sí. Pues aquí no tenemos solamente de vacas.
Vaca.
Sí.
Ternera.
Aquí comemos mucho vacas. No puede ver ningún cerdo por aquí.
¿Por?
No, por nada. La gente no tiene.
No.
Sí, no por nada. La gente no tiene.
Oh.
So, this is our center. Aurora, aquí estamos en nuestra... Sí. Mambo.
How are you? ¿Estas son las de la tiendecita de al lado?
¿Ah, sí?
Hombre, tú
A ver,
verás.
no me acuerdo. Te lo juro, no me acuerdo.
Pues,
So guys, this is our village. Ese es nuestro pueblo. Como el centro, ¿sabes?
The city
Como
center.
el City Center, Madrid Centro.
Downtown.
Sí, ahí está Gran Vía. Aurora, esto acá es calle Gran Vía, por abajo. Sí. What? ¿Es papel?
O sea, 1 año y 2 meses o por ahí. Y todas las vacunas y todas las de África. Y
So let us see the first impression of actually the village. Tata. Entonces, ¿qué hacemos? ¿Vamos en el bordo primero, no? ¿O vamos en el market primero? O sea, está ahí esperándonos. Vale. So we go to the border first before we go to the village because we have to buy things.
ya viene. Le dije a Musa, espérate.
Musa! Cruzar con cuidado, chicos. So this is our town, guys, and Eke, niko na kazubai hapa. Vipi kaka? Uko fiti? Uko. Ala mimi niko. Tutapatana. Taban.
Niaje basi?
Safi yake.
Mala.
Musa hapa na maandizi tu. Twende. Unajua walikuwa nataka waone Nyabohanse kwanza. Entonces vamos a ver, ¿o queréis ver el mercado primero?
¿Qué prefieres hacer?
¿Qué acciones hay?
Aquí ver el mercado
Ajá.
y luego irnos a
comprar.
A comprar y tomarnos algo tranquilamente.
Y pues, puedes...
Mercado y luego frontera, ¿no?
Basi twende hivi. Wewe kuja tu sokoni, tunatembea ndio waone. Vámonos, ahora viene. Twende mudati. Ata. Safi. Ata. Buyande tata. Ahora ve nyumba ya more. Sawa. Want to go and say hi? Wait. No. Nilikuwa nataka nikuja nikusalimie tata. Tata. Buyande tata.
Kama siko.
Ameia labda wewe.
Fika salama.
Tulifika salama kabisa.
Bueno, nimesikia mnasafiri.
Tumekuwa njiani.
Okay.
Tumefika leo. Say hello Mara.
Hello.
Shikamo.
Marhaba, ujambo.
Jambo.
Okay.
Tata monotore.
Buya murenge.
Buya tore kabisa. Monotore kidogo tutire kubakiria.
Ano ngokwenyu arengo muroi.
Ngoko arengo muroi hata niga soki baadaye ntire mama.
Kira kumo maana mimi mama.
Boda hayarengi. Wait Mara, wait a minute.
Ngombe karibu.
Asante tata. Anonde turamahan. Haya tata, asante. Have you seen Mama? Can you give me my cape? Ero. Jambo. Buya muri. Wait Mara, wait. Wait. Tigane here mono na kwa hapo kwanza ndicho kwa kile. Ya? Bozo, watanipitia hapo kwako. Sasa nisalimia hapa homeboys. Jambo, amgana. Buya muri. Ege kaka. Umanyoro. Ono. Tatangukina. Ono gukura wa Anduchi Gonzaro Ndigi miaka 10 urama higo. Jambo. Ege ndugu. Buya muri. Tata. Jambo. Yeke. Safi sana. Tata ni mfupi vipi friend?
Amangana mu.
Anga atichiranga mura hatu we.
Yangu ichimande. Tiki wengo ko
hata nere.
Ndio wengo. Nigechi.
Tunachukua pale kwa M-Pesa leo.
Sawa.
Bono ni yake mu.
Buyande.
Wana kijinsi.
Buya kabisa.
Karibu hapa.
Asante.
Yeye ni mgeni sasa.
Mimi ndio mwenyeji. Wewe ungeni sanga.
Wewe ni mgeni.
Wewe ni wapi?
Omoyini.
Mugeni. Moshi hara, lakini nasi taringege.
Before you move, I have a talk with you, my friend. Seriously.
Sawa. Sahi. Sawa. Kaka. Digahira abantu bana bamanye kijiji muno. Bari hati chiharanga. Sawa. Vamos. Seguimos porque yo voy a parando. Vale. Baba, shamo. Voy a ir, mama. Mimi niko salama kabisa. Pero London nimefika. Asante. Jambo. Mko salama?
Poa kabisa.
Evans. Safi. Huko. Wacha mimi nitembeze watu hapa. Baba, bona ndiko ndikangu kiri. Nilichara huko boko. Muyande sana. Jambo. Umeiya baba. So you know guys, I'm from the village and everybody knows me, so I have to say hi. Yeah, so it's just life and that's how we live here. So this is my village and cuando llegamos es mañana, para mañana. Okay, todos los olas.
Es muy popular.
Hombre, acabas de llegar.
Hombre, acabo de llegar y aquí crecí yo.
Claro, es tu pueblo.
Ojalá crece mucho.
No, muy bien,
On the shoulders.
Anda que estás disfrutando, Matico.
Mira que
The shoulders. No. Okay, we go. La pick. Say hello to people. Hata kwa Kiswahili. This. Look.
Hello.
What are you cooking, mama? Unapika nini?
Napika tu vitu vingi.
Vitu vingi. Kuna matonge kwa macho. So this is my mom. Sababu ya moshi. So this is my mom's kitchen, guys. Look. A temporary kitchen here. She has a table there. She has a jiko. Mafiga. Yes. So she's preparing food because we have guests. I have my wife with me. She's actually in the house, and Madiko. Yeah, look, that is my mom's shelf right here. Hii sasa ndio wakina msema ukweli. Look, this is my mom's kitchen. Anyways, actually guys, my mom prepare very nice porridge for she sells porridge. My mom, unauza ujina?
Ninauza lakini kwa wakati huu niko na mwezi mmoja kwa sababu mama ni mgonjwa. Ninamhudumia hospitali.
Right now, my grandma is very sick. So mom is not selling porridge because she has been staying in the hospital with her for 1 month. So because we are home now, she came at least to see us. So the shop is actually at a stop because her mom, which is my grandmother, I think you saw her in the videos last time I came home. She's sick. Sasa hii moshi inakuumiza ma?
Hii nimemalizana nayo. Sasa nimebandika ugali naenda kumaliza.
Welcome to our beautiful kitchen. You'll be seeing magic from this kitchen, I'm telling you. So yes, and this is our tank right here. My mom nowadays has a tank. A tank of water. Digital life, easy life. Life is changing. Mom. Mama, wacha nikuulize kaswali. Hii ni nyama?
Ya mbwa.
Ni nyama ya mbwa. So when this is meat for the dogs, they boil the meat for the dogs. So I'll be introducing you to our dogs later. Mama, unaonaje mji wako saa hii? Nilikuwa napiga video ya ukuta.
Mji wangu saa hii uko smart, alafu unaona maisha yamebadilika.
Maisha yamebadilika, si ndio?
Kwa sababu umbali tumetoka ni mipango ya Mungu. Na chenye nilikuwa nikisemaga chenye Mungu amepanga ijapokuwa hakijatimia, lakini lazima kitatimia kwa wakati wake. Na nimeona ukweli Mungu alipanga na imetimia. Yani ninashukuru sana sana sana. Maisha yamebadilika. Juu yalikuwa tofauti sana. Yani siwezi hata kuelezea, juu ni story ndefu.
Siku moja lazima utuambie story mama.
Maisha yamechange na ninashukuru sana Mungu. Najua si kwa uwezo wetu, ni kwa sababu ya Mungu.
Kweli.
Na Mungu akipanga, amepanga. Mwanadamu haizi akapangua, ni juu ni mipango ya Mungu.
Yes, very true. So what my mom is saying is that God has brought us from very far. Our life has really changed because guys. You see? You can just tell our home, our new home. So mom is really appreciating God and is saying what God has planned, it happens or it comes to pass in its own time. Sawa mama, wewe tutapatana kwa content nyingine. So this is Hamza, the chief chef, and Modadi. Ile jina yako ni? Jeremiah is my cousin. So these are my cousins, right? No, this is the, you see how African families are? So this is the uncle to this one. How old are you? 12 years old. How old are you? 16. So the uncle is 16 and the nephew is 12. This is hey! And personally I have a grandchild. Yeah, I have a grandchild. So it's very funny, but it's how it is. So Jeremiah, I think you saw her mom in one of the videos. Her mom's and he's my cousin, is living with us right here at home. So you'll get to know him as time comes. So let me just finish the tour. Hey, green. I just cleaned my shoes right there. So this is our house. That's why my mom's telling you that the life has really changed, because first of all, before I do the tour of this house, I'll take you to where we used to live. Then we came to live here. After that, then we're gonna now tour this house where it is. I know you've seen it in video, but I really want to do the progress on my channel so that my fans and people who are new here to come to see what I'm talking about. So far so good, and I really love the progress, and we are still constructing. Yeah, our new friends are there. I'll be introducing you to them very soon, so that you get to know them. Yes guys, so I'm doing this video not to, you know, not to like how do we say, my English is not Englishing today, I don't know why, not to like show off, but I'm doing this video to motivate people like me, people who come from very humble background, people, you know, who think that they won't make it. because I believe that God's time is always the best. Because this everything that you see here, the house, the perimeter, the gate, I never thought that we will have a gate like this in at this time, maybe this year. Yeah, so that's why I'm telling you, God's timing is the best. Mura, maisha ikoaje? How is life? Yeah, life is good. So what are you doing? Are you studying? Are you working? What are you doing right now?
Studying.
You're studying?
Yes.
Yeah. Which level? Primary, high school?
Junior secondary.
Junior secondary.
Yeah.
So that is like primary.
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 Yeah.
So he's 16 and he's in primary school. The reason as to why they have grown. So I always say that I come from a poor family, but they have grown now, not poor, the next one. Yeah. So I think there are very many challenges of life, but he's still schooling, and I always tell him, you are the one to take your family from here to here. And that's why I think even he's living here with us, at least to motivate him and to help him maybe mentally and everything. So he's 16 and he's in junior primary, and I believe that he will go to senior primary, he will go to university, he will get a job, and probably one day I'll do a video of their family, their mom, because the mom, I think for those people who have been following me, you have been seeing when I come home, her mom is always here. Now that my grandma is in the hospital, mom has been taking care of my grandma. So today, mom came back home because we are home. So her mom is taking care of our grandma. So one day I'll tell you their story, so that at least maybe somebody will say maybe 16 is supposed to be in high school or something, so that you really understand. Yes. So the chief chef here, unataka kula nyama ya umbu? Hamuza. Ukatangi kidogo unaweka kwa mdomo.
Nini umbu?
Sasa wewe unanuanga wapi? Nyabu. Okay. Sawa. Yes. So I was talking about the tank, guys, and honestly, we used to go to our neighbor. Our neighbor is right here. This one, the red. We never had a borehole. We used to go to the river or to this neighbor of ours. So right now we have the well right there. We started with the well, and at least a friend of mine gave us this tank right there. Mom has tank. So when I finish the house, because it's self-contained, I'll have a tank tower here, so that at least we have running water in the house. I want to explain something so that at least you get to understand. Our land, guys, used to reach here. Let me show you. Our land, guys, not guys, my people, my beautiful people. Our land used to, this is the border of our land, this one, right here. Hope you can see me. Yes, this one, right here, this is the border of our land. So this is not a road, right here, all right? This is not a road. But the road of the government, I think, goes like, pass actually in these houses, right there, going there. But remember, my uncle used to stay here, right here. I think now they built I think it's my cousin built a house right there. My uncle used to live there, because you can see right here. So they'll put the boundary of this home right now. Right now the boundary is at where the boundary is supposed to be initially. Yeah, this is our neighbor, our beautiful neighbor right here. So our uncle used to live there. So my father gave him this way, this road. Even this used to belong to my uncle, but my uncle sold it, all this. So initially they used to go there, but because they are brothers, my father gave him this road, like this here to here. But because we have this beautiful neighbor and the neighbors right there, instead of putting the wall right here, then somebody who helped us with water and with also the toilet, it will be very bad person if you close the road for them. Yeah, so that's why I cut down. My trees were here. Even if you can tell, you can see the roots. I don't know if you can see the roots. These ones are the roots, but look, no, this one I don't see. Look, if you see clearly, you can see this one.